Welcome back to the SAP UI5 tutorial series. Chapter 2, Creating your first SAP UI5 application. In the previous video, we learned about SAP UI5 and its key features. Today, we will dive into creating our first SAP UI5 application. Before we begin coding, let's set up our project structure. Open your preferred development environment, such as SAP Web IDE or Visual Studio Code. Create a new project folder and navigate into it. In SAP UI5, an application consists of multiple files and folders. Create the following files in your project folder. Index.html, the entry point of the application. Component.js, the main component file. App.controller.js, the controller file for the main application view. App.view.xml, the XML view file for the main application view. Open index.html and set up the basic HTML structure. Add the necessary script tags to include the SAP UI5 library and your application files. Set the data SAP UI applications attribute to point to your main component file. Open app.view.xml and define the XML structure for your main application view. Design the user interface with SAP UI5 controls and layouts. Define the necessary data bindings to connect the view with the controller. Open app.controller.js and implement the controller logic for your main application view. Handle user actions, data manipulation, and other business logic. Access the view elements using their IDs and interact with the model. Save all the files and run the application in your web browser. Ensure that the SAP UI5 library is loaded correctly and the application is displayed. Test the functionality and interaction of the user interface. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first SAP UI5 application. In the next video, we will dive deeper into views and controllers. Stay tuned for more exciting SAP UI5 tutorials in this series. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more SAP UI5 tutorials in this series.